Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I am to see one of the interesting project called how to generate or visualize the bubble chart with the help of Python, that means PyGame model. So this is the one Python bubble chart visualizer. As of now, the simple one. If you generate with the help of like this, it will ask the visualization bubble chart. We are the user, we have to give the enter the values like 10, 20 or 40, 60 any order, or 40, 60, 10 anything. At as last, if you give the proper input, it will display the bubble chart immediately. So here for this one, what you have to do here, you have to install, whether you use the PyCharm or Jupyter anything, you have to install the PyGame, the model required for open model. You have to install. After that, you can continue the coding here. So you install the PyGame and I'm writing pygame.init and array one I'm giving empty and I'm followed by array of giving them like that. So here necessary things means what? You can say first of all import the PyGame. Step number 2, we can say initialize the PyGame with the, and create a window with the declaration of variable. What are the variables you want? We can get like this, and we can give the define the function to draw a rectangle, show text and implement the bubble chart. At last, taking user input, where the user can give the input and visualization of the bubble chart. Once you give everything, it have to display the output properly. It have to shortlist the numbers and compare and swap everything. At last, go for the output here. So here the thing is, you have to know about this import PyGame, very important, because is as of now it uses PyGame, a built-in model, one of the built-in model in the Python, and also helpful to understand loops and function calls also. And moreover, it display the If you want, you can check the version also. So let's go for the continue the coding. So I'm going to write the define the screen dimensions like a screen pygame dot display of set mode. I'm giving the size followed by font size, and I'm writing continue the program runs equal true, and I'm writing here some yeah. Then I'm going to write the draw the screen. Sorry, here I had to go. Yeah, here. Then after this, I'm going to write the function called show text. Then I'm going to fill the information like the code new screen, create a new screen dot fill of size 0, 0 followed by 150, 0. Then use the font to display the array. Then I'm writing the point like string of array true 255, 250, 150. So as of you now, some of you know about data section algorithm. You know about what is sorting. Sorting is meant arranging the elements in array, arranging the elements either descending or ascending. Here bubble sort also generally whenever the input, it will go for swap the elements and compare at last go for the ascending order only. Then I'm writing the code like this, and I'm writing the screen dot built up block 20, 20. Then I'm writing draw another function called rectangle, draw underscore rectangle. Then I'm writing the condition where loop condition for I in range, then len of array. Then this is for draw the rectangle using array element. So I'm going to write igame dot draw dot rect dot screen of 250 followed by 255, 125, 0, and followed by the values, and at last and show here the pygame dot display dot update of. Then I'm going to write the important one, that is a bubble chart. So as of now we have about bubble chart. I hope that in here I have to say here the bubble chart is nothing but is one where the array elements are compared with another one and swapped if the former element is greater than another one like this. So after sorting, it convert the array to a string of numbers and join them with the joined array one, and show the text and also call the display the array changes. So at last it will display the rectangle with the help of draw underscore rect and everything it will show display. We can add the thing called the code called pygame dot time dot delay 500 and so on. So we can see the changes in the runtime. So I'm going to write the conditions here. So for I in range of len of array followed by for j in range of len of array minus 1, and if array of j less than array of j plus 1 followed by array of j plus 1 is equal to array of j plus 1 comma array of j. Then I'm writing display the array 1 of string of I for I in array. Then I am followed by just now I told you array 1 of is equal to empty comma join of array 1, then show underscore text of array 1. So we are the user. Once execute the program, after no error, it will ask the number. So as many you want, you can give the numbers, 5 elements or 10 elements, whatever. Then after that, all the coding applicable will get the, you can generate the will visualize the bubble chart in graphical mode. So then followed by draw and then writing the pygame.time.delay and followed by